Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT on iOS 18. Follow my steps to use ChatGPT or AI on your iPhone. So let's get started. So the first step is you have to download ChatGPT from your App Store. You have to go to App Store and tap on the search bar and search for ChatGPT. And here you can see the app called ChatGPT. As you can see, mine is already installed, so I don't need to reinstall it. Just tap onto it and then it will ask for login, or you can also use it without login, but it's better to log on to your iPhone because it's much better and easier. If you don't log in your iPhone to the ChatGPT, then you can use the image section on your iPhone. Also, you can update any. Then just go to settings and then you have to search for Apple Intelligence and Siri, and here you can see the option toggle Apple Intelligence on, and then you have to tap on to ChatGPT under extensions. You can see the option ChatGPT, tap into it and toggle it on, and that's it. This is so simple. So you have to follow these steps to use ChatGPT on your iPhone. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.